Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we will be doing a fairy light headboard. So what you're going to need are some fairy lights, 2 curtain panels preferably see-through, some command hooks if you don't want to use nails for your wall, and some extension cords depending on how far you are from the power outlet. So this is a wall that I wanted to do the fairy lights on. It was very plain and I thought that I needed something to stand out. Here I'm attempting to take out the nails and I obviously could not reach, so my husband came and took them out for me. So before we moved the bed, I wanted to go ahead and just vacuum to make sure that it was clean before we moved it. So here we are moving the bed. I didn't like where it was anymore, so that's why we decided to put it against this new wall. So here we are just trying to center it and trying to find where the middle is. I forgot to mention that you will also need a curtain rod. So here my husband is lining it up and trying to see where we're going to hang it and marking the spots. And then here I'm giving him a cotton ball with some alcohol on it to wipe down where we're going to put the command hooks. We decided to not drill any holes into the wall, so that's why we're using the command hooks. These are the 5-pound hooks and they're actually really sturdy. So once the bigger command hooks were put up, I started to unravel the fairy lights, and I actually really struggled with this part. So if you guys do end up getting these same fairy lights, I suggest that you lay them out first and then hang them up. So once they were unraveled, I decided how far apart I wanted them, and then my husband put up the smaller command hooks. Once he was done putting up the smaller command hooks, we went ahead and started to hang up the fairy lights. Once the lights were all hung up, I started to get the extension cord ready to plug it into the outlet. Once the lights were hung up, we went back to unravel each bundle of lights. Once we had unraveled all the lights, I noticed that there was a lot of lights that were being hidden by our headboard. So what we did is we went back and looped the cord around the top of the fairy lights just to make it look like we had more rows of lights. So you can start to see how much fuller the lights look by us looping them, and it looks so much nicer. So the last step is to hang up your curtains. And here we have a black curtain rod, but at the end you'll see that I'll end up switching it out for a white one just because it looked a lot nicer. And that is it, you guys. That's pretty much your DIY fairy light headboard. And here is the finished product. It's so pretty and it's so relaxing at night. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you guys really liked this video. Please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe if you haven't already. I'll catch you guys on my next one.